Hey everyone, Chef Andrew here from North Coast Seafoods. Who wants to learn how to make crispy pan-seared salmon? I love this served with a delicious, healthy Caesar Cobb hybrid salad. Let's do it. Preheat your pan with canola oil and let it get hot, but not smoking. Add your fish. It should sizzle. Season with salt and fresh cracked black pepper. Now it's important to let it cook. Don't touch it. Leave it alone. Once it's browned, give it a flip. It should take another 2 to 3 minutes after you flip it for it to be done. Let's make a quick, funky chef's salad. Start with your greens. I love the combination of Tuscan kale and romaine lettuce. Add some hard-boiled egg, some good protein, the trendy avocado of course, and crispy bacon makes everything taste good. My homemade Caesar dressing, a little tossy toss, then give it that restaurant-style plating flair. Top that beautiful salad with your crispy salmon and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Bon appetit. Good job, chefs.